Assalamu alaikum students. I'm Humaira Tahir, your English teacher. Uh, Today we are going to continue our lesson, unit number 2, Grammar Club. So you need to open your books. My dear students, in our previous lecture, we learned about use of different phrases like all of, none of, some of, when we talk about the people or things in a group. Now, today we are going to start a new phrase that is most of. So you have to open your books. On page number 18. This is most of. The new phrase that we are going to learn is most of. When we talk about more than half of the things or people in a group, then we use the phrase most of. So you need to see this picture. In the picture, many people are coming down the stairs. So you can use the phrase, most of the people are going down the stairs. Now you understand that if more than half of the people are coming down, it means that most of them are coming down. Now look at the exercise. Exercise number D. Write sentences beginning with most of in the following. In the test, 7 questions were easy and 3 questions were hard. It means most of the questions were easy. As more than half of the questions were easy, so we can use the phrase most of the questions were easy. Number 2, 30 students are writing. 2 students are talking to the teacher. It means most of the students are writing. Only few are talking to the teacher. Number 3, 8 cows are brown and 30 cows are black. It means most of the cows are black. Number 4, 92 people enjoyed the show and 6 people didn't enjoy the show. It means most of the people enjoyed the show. Number 5, 10,000 people voted for John Briley. 45,000 people voted for Hillary K. Most of the people voted for Hillary K. Now complete this exercise as I have given you the clues. Now come to the next. This is exercise E. Complete these sentences using all of, none of, some of, or most of. Now, according to the situation, we shall select that which phrase is suitable to complete our sentences. Number 1, the score in the football match was 0-0. It means none of the players made a goal. None of the players made a goal because the score was 0-0. Number 2, we cooked 20 biscuits and now there are only 2. It means we ate most of the biscuits. Only 2 are left. It means most of the biscuits have been eaten. Number 3, there are 30 students in the class, but only 20 are at school today. It means some of the students are ill. As there are 30 students and 20 are at school, it means some of the students are ill. I have got 15 shells in my collection, but I only brought 3 to show you. It means I left most of my shells at home. I left most of my shells at home. Number 5, the farmer left the gate open and now there aren't any cows in the field. It means all of the cows have got out. Understand? Okay, now come to the next. Here we use all of, none of, some of, and most of with uncountable nouns also. We can use all of, most of, some of, and none of with the uncountable nouns. For example, Look at this packet of chocolates. We ate most of the chocolates because very few are left in the packet. Now next, look at this exercise. Complete these sentences using all of, none, some, or most of in the following sentences, and clues are given in the bold. Number 1, the pears and apples were cheap, but the bananas and oranges cost a lot of money. It means some of the fruit was expensive. Some of the fruit was expensive. Number 2, this morning 2 letters came for my mother and a parcel came for my sister, but I didn't get anything. I didn't get anything. It means none of the post was for me. Number 3, we went shopping at the shopping center. We took rupees 500 and came home with only rupees 52. It means that we spent most of the money. We spent most of the money. At the party, there were plates of sandwiches, pizzas, and cakes. After the party, all the plates were empty. What was the situation? The people ate all of the food. People ate all of the food. Number 5, I wanted to write my story, but there was nothing for me to write on. Means my sister used all of the paper when she did her project. My sister used all of the paper when she did her project. Number 6, from Monday to Friday, Uncle Max lives in his flat in town. At weekends, he goes to his house in the country. He lives in the city for most of the time. Yes, most of the time. The chairs are old, the bed is old, the table is old, and the bookcase is old. It means none of the furniture is new. Because the chairs, bed, table, bookcase, everything was old, it means none of the furniture is new. Don't touch the walls. I just finished painting the room on an hour ago. The paint is dry there, but it isn't dry here. It means some of the paint is wet. Some of the paint is wet. Understand? Now come to the next page. This is review page, and we are going to revise all the exercises. Look at the picture. Write all of, none of, some of, or most of according to the picture, the situation given in the scene. Number 1, dash, these women are wearing trousers. Now look here, most of the women of these women are wearing trousers. Some of these women are wearing glasses. Number 3, all of these men are wearing ties. Some of these men are wearing jackets. All of the men I have got mobile phones. Everyone is using mobile, so all of these men have got mobiles. Number 6, look at the picture. Some of these people are sitting down. Most of these people are standing up. You remember where we use most of? When more than half of the things are of the same condition. Now, number 8, none of these people are children. Everyone is elder, so none of these people are children. Understand? Now, after this, the last exercise is write sentences about the students in your class using all of, none of, some of, or most of. Some ideas are given in the yellow box. Now, this activity is left for you. You have to make sentences starting with none of, some of, most of. And you can take help from the ideas given in the yellow box. So complete this exercise yourself, and it is a test for you. Understand? Okay, up till now we have completed the review exercise as well, and now it's your home task to complete all these exercises in your workbooks and also prepare them for the next And tomorrow, inshallah, I'll send you a worksheet for the test regarding these exercises. Okay, Allah Hafiz.